for this year.
Haven't seen it.
No matter how many times I've been relocated, I never get used to it.
End of the line.
Welcome to City 17. You have chosen or have been chosen to get fucked in the ass! Fuck you!
It's all I have left.
Fuck you so much! Leave the fucking city now! Get back on that fucking train and go back where you fucking came from, you fucking assholes! I fucking hate you so much! Fuck you, Gordon Freeman. I hope you get...
Comes back. Must be a mistake. I got a standard relocation coupon just like everybody else. Comes back. Comes back. Comes back.
About that beer I owed you. It's me, Gordon, Barney from Black Mesa.
What is it? I'm in the middle of a critical test.
Sorry, Doc, but look who's here.
Great Scott! Gordon Freeman! Alex is around here somewhere.
Dear Dr. Breen, why has the Combine seen fit to suppress... Thank you for writing that concern. Of course, your question... Ever deactivate the suppression field and let us breed again.
Over here! Ha! No, you don't!
Dr. Freeman, I presume. For me, though. Man, a few words, aren't you?
Couple with your head fruitlessly. Away from me! Yeah, my pet. Up there! No! No! Careful, Lamar. Those are quite fragile. Oh dear.
Doc, we don't have time for this.
Meanwhile, let's get this show on the road.
Lamar, with you? What about that thing?
I'm not sure. It's something's drawing him away.
What's the meaning of this? Who are you? How did you get in here?
I'm getting him out of there.
It will peel you apart!
Just lost Gordon. What's going on?
I wish I knew. I'm encountering unexpected interference.
Don't worry, Gordon.
There he is. We're losing it again.
All but certain it was Gordon Freeman. He didn't come through.
Then where is he?
Hey, Gordon. Before I forget, I think you dropped this back in Black Mesa. Good luck out there, buddy. You're gonna need it.